Have you ever met someone, shook their hand, and instantly forgot their name? You're not alone. Our brains are surprisingly bad at remembering names, and here's why. When you meet someone new, your brain is flooded with information: their face, their voice, the setting. Faces are easy to remember because humans evolved to recognize them for survival. But names are abstract. The word John or Sarah doesn't create a clear image your brain can grab onto. Without that, the name slips away. Another problem is attention. When someone introduces themselves, we're usually focused on what to say next. The name barely makes it into short-term memory, and if it doesn't stay there, it never reaches long-term memory. The good news? You can train yourself to remember. One method is association. Connect the name to an image. Meet a rose. Picture a rose flower on their head. Another is repetition. Use their name right away. Nice to meet you, Rose. These simple tricks create stronger memory links. So next time you forget, don't feel bad. It's not a flaw, it's just how the brain works. But with attention and practice, you'll get much better at it. Thank you for watching a knowledge video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We put the edge in knowledge.